Hey guys, well I know it's been a while since I made a video, but we've just been working on the underneath of the Camaro, and working a lot really, but I did want to make a video today. We are installing the engine for the last time in the Camaro. It's going to be going in hopefully pretty smoothly. We've done it a few times, so it shouldn't be too bad now that we've made all the right modifications. We went to the junkyard this past weekend and got the wiring harness and a few other parts that we needed. That's why we've kind of been waiting for a while. Have it laid out a little bit. Still needs like gone through and everything, but making a quick intro here before we start working on putting it in. But I wanted to show you it all painted up, and the transmission and the headers will be running. So yeah, next step will be in the car. Alright guys, I know that video was kind of short and sweet. Like I said, it's been a while. We put the engine in, as you can see from the time lapse. Took us a little bit to wrestle the transmission. That's kind of what we were messing with there, and getting that last engine mount in. Did a quick walk around, and we put the truck intake on it for now, just to kind of see where it's going to sit in the engine bay with the hood. I think we're actually going to have to run a cowl hood just because how much it sticks out. I do plan on putting a different intake on it. That'll probably drop it down a little lower. That's polished aluminum. That'll make it look a lot better, but we wanted to put this on. We'll probably do the first startup with this intake and some of the stock stuff that we have, just to make sure it runs good and everything like that. But I do plan on changing it. I know it looks kind of bad right now, but it'll get better. But I want to make sure it runs and everything works. But yeah, so we got it in the car. As you can kind of see here, we mocked up the intake just to kind of show you what it's gonna look like. I'm using the stock air box and stuff. I got to modify the hose and everything to work with the throttle body. We had to change out the throttle body to a manual style instead of the fly-by-wire that it was, but it's in there. We got a lot of wiring to do, obviously, as you can tell. But it's finally mocked up. Everything underneath the car is, you know, probably 90% done underneath the car. Everything's rebuilt and everything's put back together now. So, yeah, got a lot of tedious work ahead of us with the wiring. And then next thing is going to be turning, you know, the focus on the interior, which it's actually really clean. It's kind of tore apart right now, but it's in really good shape. I have full new radio, stereo, speakers, everything as far as the interior goes too. So we'll be putting all that in, and that'll basically be ready to go. So, but yeah, quick video just showing showing us putting the engine in. So, and thanks for tuning in, and don't forget, you know, hit that subscribe button and like, and we'll see you next time.